Light makes a world start imagination. Harnessing every beam of light, we explore more possibility about the future. Visually, technology and culture are intertwined into poems. Ship sails upstream on the sea. Grain spreads in the desert. Harvest is made in an instant manner. Machinery gradually develops towards intelligence. The spark of wisdom grows in the city. QLTEK lights a laser renowned globally and makes a world wonderful. We create light and find directions from the thoughts of every era. Constantly driven by R&D and innovation, master the core advanced technology and lead the market with high-end optics. Integrate innovative technology and precision manufacturing into the development of every product. Focus on every detail and let every product and solution satisfy your expectations. We sustained excellence optical R&D and the initiative cutting technology, QLTEK, and supports the development of global intelligent manufacturing. We harness the light, create premium products with the core technology, make manufacturing more accurate and production more efficient with high-quality metal processing equipment. We adhere to the quality control system, control every process, and use ingenuity to guarantee that the performance and quality of every kind of factory equipment can reach a higher standard. We deliver value with light and shape a high-end model of the industry. Manufacture with rigorousness, give full play to professionalism, to meet customer needs and create value for customers. Collaborate with global counterparts, connect the world with products, and let Made in China shine on the world stage to make the future of the industry full of infinite possibilities. QLTEK aims to be a leader rather than a follower. We create more possibilities for the world with light. Inherit the spirit of great country craftsmen with concentration and perseverance, and lead the development to the laser industry with responsibility. Let the laser renowned globally and make the world wonderful